What is affiliate marketing and how does it actually work?
That's a great one. So it's the easiest way to explain it. Think of it as a marketing model, just, marketing model where you have third-party affiliates, and we'll get in a minute as to what type of affiliates you can have that just promote a merchant's offer. A merchant, product owner, or vendor, they decide to create a supplement, an ebook, and they put it on a platform like MaxWeb, a network. And then you as the affiliate, you can have zero experience of lots of experience. You come to that platform and you get an affiliate link to promote a specific product. And you make a commission every time a customer takes an action. So in some cases, you as the affiliate would make money when a customer just puts in their email. That's called lead generation, right? Like lead gen. Or if the customer purchases a supplement bottle, you get a cost per action. So you get, let's say, $100 for every customer. That's how it works.
Brilliant. And you offer both the models, the e-commerce as well as the lead gen?
We just offer CPA. That's our superpower. In a way, it's the same with lead generation. You get a very small CPA, maybe $1 or $2, right? With supplement brands or even digital products, you get more. For example, we have digital products on MaxWeb, like a digital ebook for back pain. And, the cost to consumer for a back pain ebook is probably, I want to say $37. But you as the customer, you get $50 for every customer because it's our job in the back end to monetize the lifetime of that customer. So that's why you see those big CPAs, because in our space, in our industry, it's our job to monetize the back end. So you as the affiliate, as long as, the traffic quality is good, you're going to get a lot per customer.
So the publisher or the business owner has mapped out their back end because they know every time somebody comes up and buys that $37 front end offer, they are going to upsell them, or later on along the line, they are going to buy more products from them.
Or do phone sales, right? Like the abandoned cards. As the product owner, right, we also create products. So it's our job to make sure you know how to monetize. Do not take it from the affiliate earning. So the front end, in my opinion, should all go to the affiliate.